not gonna die. We're not gonna die.
We're talking about a good time. We're chasing every moment, all the good nights. We're always looking out and it's a good life. We go around the world for a show. And it's a good time. We're chasing every moment, all the good nights. We're always looking out and it's a good life. No, we are never letting this go.
There's the Italian border. Black line on the map.
It's a black line on the road.
There might be some form of border. Emmy! Welcome to Italy. It's really nice view.
Beautiful, the weather's lovely. On an autostrada now.
Autostrada.
Hey! Bellissimo!
Grazie. Pizza.
Pizza! Spaghetti!
Spaghetti.
Bolognese!
So this one here is Fai-da-te, which I'm guessing means self-service. And diesel's 153.5.
Yep.
That one up there is Servito, which is serviced, and diesel's puppy. Diesel's 174. So it is nearly 20. In fact, it's 20.5 pence or cents more. Wow. That's a big difference.
What are you doing, Pong?
He's excited.
Pictures of the motorbikes. The helmets are really intricate, the wheel and the rider, and then there's nothing else. And we're going swing.
Oh no, someone that hasn't got a telepass, self-service at the end.
This one?
No, I don't know, wherever. Yeah, this one's good. This one's good.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. I'll see how much it is. Yes, red lights. Yes. Oh, the problem is, they're either too high or they're too low, and I can't get either. So, oh, I'm back a bit. But it's
Introdurre prima il biglietto e poi la tessera.
Yeah. I don't want to put banknotes in it. Really?
Introdurre il denaro o la tessera.
No, don't go back on it.
Ritirare la tessera. Arrivederci.
Arrivederci. I want a receipt.
Ritirare lo scontrino.
Thank you.
Arrivederci.
Arrivederci. Such a pretty language.
Yeah, it's beautiful. 29 euros. That's not bad for that way.
Right?
No, we're not. We're not gonna die. We're not gonna die. We're not gonna die. We're not gonna die.
You're right, we're not getting out of first gear.
I'm videoing both for videoing's sake and also in case of accident. Our final moment will be captured on film.
And the black book
I've got to
said,
just
oh my word!
It's like spaghetti. So, how do you drive down a mountain without burning out the brakes? Have we learnt this yet?
So we're in second gear,
Yeah.
doing approximately 35 miles an hour.
Oops.
Oh, there's a police car behind.
Oh, good.
We-
There is a police car behind too.
Pulls the brakes slowly but surely.
Yeah. The police car's trying to overtake us on a blind bend. This is good.
Trying to overtake them.
Is this your whole putting it down for a couple of seconds and taking it off even when you
Yes.
don't really want to?
Yeah. What I'm doing is
Yeah.
on the straight sections, I've got my foot completely off the clutch. On the straight sections, so now I'm not on anything. I'm not on brakes, I'm not on accelerator, I'm not on control.
Your speed.
Yes,
Hi, police car.
like this guy. And then on the bends, that's when I'm braking. Ever so slightly.
Ever so
And I don't, you don't push down on the brakes. You just tap them gently for a couple of seconds, let go. Oh my word, I've just turned the corner now. And it's just, it's like a sea that's quite kind of rough.
It is quite rough,
Just
isn't it?
rock in the middle of the ocean. Huge kind of
you got loads of room on this side. Tons of room. Still got about a foot, give or take a bush. Now remember what we did in Germany? Yeah, let's not do that. Here you go, motorhome parking. They're in that back bit over there. Oh, there's an orange tree or a lemon tree or something.
Goes back there.
Can do. Or do you want to go down the end here so that we've got a longer pitch? Did you get in the
There are
middle?
long pitches there, but you're right up against.
Yeah,
the
that's
back
what I
of-
wasn't sure about. If you've got anything falling.
Oh yeah, to be fair, if anything's falling, it's gonna whack you.
So what about on the end here next to this one? Okay. You happy? If
You
you're
get
happy.
round.
Okay. We happy?
Yeah, we're straight.
This is an Italian Sosta. To be fair, this is a huge Italian Sosta. So you've got 1, 2, 3, 4 rows right at the back. That there is the little office where the guy is about an hour a day. And you pay. It was €12 for the night. Apparently it goes up in the summer. Then you've got the bins, all recycling. And here you have got your waste and your fresh water. So you literally pull onto that, empty your waste and fill up with your water. I don't think they've got that way. I don't think there's a toilet in here. But yeah, that's the little Sosta. You don't book it. You just sort of turn up and see if there's a space. And I've got an excited puppy dog. Say hi, puppy dog. Come on then, let's go get breakfast.
Let's go, people.
Bye bye, little wherever we are.
Let's go.
Spotorno. That's pretty though, look at that.
Boom.
Boom boom!
Boom, boom.
Listen to that bike noise. Meow.
Is your bike up?
Yeah, my bike goes meow. Hi, pup. Oh, sweetheart. That's a lovely sitting down face. Have a quick look round. So, what have we got? Normally round here is more camping for motorhomes and camping cars, but it's shut up because of the season. You can't really see anything down there. And these are all little lodges and holidays. They seem to have caravans and a lodge, which is quite random. I've not actually been into the toilets yet. Let's go see what they're like. There you go, that's like Valdiva, I guess. What's in there? Ooh. 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 Okay, I didn't expect it to be this clean, I'll be honest. I'm guessing that's a shower light. Colour me impressed, I did not expect it to be that clean. Alright, I better turn that light off actually, haven't seen that. These are kind of cool. Bidets, let's not look too closely in there. More big showers. Tell you what, quite impressed. Normally these places are manky. Yeah, okay, we've gone old school on the toilets. You've got to be really quite desperate. Or I guess you sit out there. Are they all the same? Oh no, that one's a proper toilet. Good to know. And then that is where you dispose of your black waste out of your motorhome. So, there's the men's round there. We won't go round there. You've got a whole line of little parking for campers on this side. And that is the minibus. It's a free service, takes you down to the train station where you can get the train to Cinque Terre and apparently Portofino, although Portofino is mostly destroyed at the moment, which is really sad. That's the main reception there. And then over here, I'm guessing this is the swimming pool. Obviously it's not open at the moment. I don't think anybody wants to go swimming in that. But there's supposed to be a pizzeria. I'm guessing it's that over there. Got a kids' playground and a ping pong table. So there's a pizzeria and a mini market. There's summer, I'm guessing it's quite pretty. Right now it looks a bit unloved. Oh, hello! Oh, sweetheart, I hadn't seen you. The motorhome waste is actually outside of the main gate. Obviously your toilet waste you empty in the toilet area, but your motorhome waste disposal is all the way down this little dirt track. Today we've had a chill out day. We've done very little. I've updated a bit on the blog. I've started a new YouTube video, and yeah, it's been very calm, and that's what we normally have forgotten to put into our adventures lately. Days like this we don't really do very much, we don't see anything, we don't go anywhere. And just calm and replenish, because after all it's a holiday. Here we go. So this is the camper service point. And you've got your grey waste, and you've got your drinkable water, and you can empty them out here, and you can put some rubbish in there. The nice thing about motorhoming out of season is it's so quiet. There's nobody around, except for a lady who's looking at me like I'm nuts.